Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can use the generative option on Adobe Express and how you can use the generative fill on Adobe Express. So let's start. First of all, what we need to do, we have to open the Google Chrome, and after that we need to create account on the Adobe Express, and after that we need to go to the generative section. So let's click on the generative section. As you can see, some options are provided here, like if you want to convert text to image, you can also do that, and the examples are also provided here. If you want to check out, you can also do that. And here's the option for the generative fill. As you can see, if you want to check out these things, you can also do that. So what we need to do, simply we have to click on the upload to image start. So we have to upload the image. For example, I'm going to the download section, and now we need to provide the image. For example, I'm going to select the image, and now simply I'm going to click on the open, and after clicking on the open, the image will be opened here. Now simply what we have to do, so let's wait for a few seconds. So as you can see, the image is generated. Now simply what we need to do, we have to provide that what should be here. For example, I'm going to write that add the nature jungle. So I have did this, and now simply after writing this, you have to select the brush size, that what should be the brush size, and after doing that, you have to click on the generate. As you can see, I'm going to drag in the brush. After dragging the brush, you simply need to generate. Click on the generate, and it will generate whatever you want. So as you can see, now it's generating. We have to wait for a few seconds until it generates. So let's wait. First of all, you have to adjust the brush size, and after that you have to provide the comment. After dragging the brush, you simply need to hit the generate, and it will work. So for example, it is not working properly, so I'm gonna change the command. So let's write the command here. For example, I'm gonna write add the car. So let's drag here, and now I'm going to drag here. Now simply we need to click on the generate. So let's click on the generate. So as you can see, I have gave the command to it, and the command has worked. So in this way you can use the generative fill. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can use it. So see you guys in the next video.